and welcome to the Joy of Yoga. We are on day 8 of our 30-day yoga challenge. Today's focus is going to be 3 yin poses for when you're not feeling good, be it sick or just low energy. You can find a space against the wall or grab a couple of couch cushions or even practice this in bed. So let's go ahead and lie down on our backs. I'm going to lay straight out into what's called corpse pose or savasana. Getting those hips nice and wide on the earth, lengthening your spine long out from the hips, but leave a little space underneath the small of your back. Bring those shoulders up to your ears, pull them underneath your spine, and then lengthen your neck out away from your shoulders. You can let your palms rest up by your hips. And just take a few deep breaths here, in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. In through the nose. Breathing into the mind, exhaling out the mouth, down the body, through the feet. One more time. Maybe scrunch your face, widen your face, give a couple of yawns with the mouth, really stretching the jaw open. Widen your inner ears and let those go. Release the jaw and let the eyes sink back into their sockets. I'm going to bend my knees, planting my feet. You want to lift your hips and slide them over to the left edge of your mat, and then bring your knees into your chest and drop them over to the right. So we're in a supine twist, lying twist here. You can let your arms open out to the side and let your head drop to whichever way feels good. You can also play with taking that top leg nice and straight or keeping it bent, but just let go of all of your muscles here. You don't want to be holding anything. And then again, a few breaths, deep breath down the side body this time. Exhaling down through the feet. Deep breaths in and out. Trying to find where you're holding any tension and just letting it go. If this is too much for your knees, you can even take that pillow and give a little support here, whatever you need. Breathing into your body and letting go. One more minute here, just letting go and breathing. Softening and melting. And then on your next inhale, roll all the way to your right side, coming into that fetal position for just a moment, breathing here. As you exhale, roll your whole body back to center. You can pause for a moment, just feeling into both sides of the body. Do they feel different? And then when you're ready, lift those hips. Set them over to the right side now. Bring your knees into your chest and let them drop over to the left side. Arms can come out or overhead, whatever feels good for you. You can even bend at the elbows. If you need knee support, grab that pillow. But then inhale, exhale, let every muscle and bone go. You don't want to be holding on to anything here. And just breathing down the right side body, expanding every area with oxygen, exhaling that tension out through your breath. we'll just be here for about a minute and a half longer, sensing into your body. About 30 more seconds here. Can you make this pose 10% juicier or 10% more comfortable in any way? And then if you want to move on, deep inhale, roll your body all the way to the left side, coming into a fetal position. You can rest your head on your arm and just take a moment here. And then we'll exhale, bring the body back to center. Taking my feet wide, bringing my knees together, and just sensing into the body. Beautiful. So now I'm going to do a legs up the wall pose. If you don't have any clear wall space to do this with, you can stack a couple of couch cushions or bed pillows. You don't have to have a pillow right here. I just like to if you have a nice little one. So how we get into this pose is I'm going to sit my side all the way up against the wall so my hips and side are touching. Sit up onto my pillow, and then I'm going to roll back. This takes a little finagling here. You gotta scoot in, but you'll make it. We don't want to lock out our knees here. We want them to be nice and soft. Wiggle those toes, flex them, spread them wide, curl them in, maybe give a point here. Roll those ankles both directions, or your wrists too. And then getting nice and settled here. Tailbone is close to the wall as you can get it. Shoulders are tucked under the spine. Nice long neck. Exhale, just release all of your bones, all of your muscles. This is allowing the blood to come out of the legs and flush the heart and brain full of nutrients and oxygen. So you might start to feel your feet tingling. We don't want to be using our legs at all, just really allowing the blood to run down to the rest of the body. Deep breath into the whole body, into your whole outer being. Exhale, release. Now you can stay here for as long as you'd like. There is no rush, but if you're ready to come out of this, you can bring your feet together, let them drop down towards your hips, taking your knees wide. Just breathing. And then maybe give your knees a little hug. Beautiful. So I hope that this helps you to see it doesn't take much to really help your body feel relaxed and more comfortable. Thank you for following along. May you be well. Namaste.